Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology and the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on tomato powder preparation and the capacity building activity of PMFME scheme. The tomato is the edible berry of the plant Solanum lycopersicum, commonly known as a tomato plant. The species originated in Western South America and Central America. The major tomato producing states in India are Bihar, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and West Bengal. The tomato is warm season crop. The temperature of 20 to 25 degrees centigrade is considered to be ideal for tomato cultivation, and the excellent quality red color is developed in tomatoes at 21 to 24 degrees centigrade temperature. The average hectare production of tomatoes is 250 to 400 quintals. The production of up to 750 to 800 quintals of hectare can be achieved with excellent cultivation techniques. Harvesting. Tomatoes are predominantly summer crops, but it can be cultivated throughout the year. The first harvesting of plants usually starts in 75 to 90 days from planting. The average tomato crop yield per acre in India is about 10 tons, although the yield varies from 15 to 20 tons per acre in case of irrigated crops. Health benefits. Protects against cancer, improves heart health, helps in reduce weight, controls blood pressure. Process. Vegetable powders can be used singly or combined with fruit powders to form a powerful blend of nutritional benefits including fibers, vitamins and phytonutrients in nutraceutical supplements. Vegetable powders also contain carotenoids that can neutralize free radicals to help prevent cell damage. Tomato powder is the perfect supplement to spruce up any dish in need of that classic tomato flavor. Dried tomato powder offers an extended shelf life as compared to fresh tomatoes. Thus, tomato powder is gaining demand as a suitable replacement for fresh tomatoes. Prepare the tomatoes. After harvesting, tomatoes contain molds and plant parts. These molds are a risk for the tomatoes and need to be removed during processing. The tomatoes arrive at the production plant and are dumped onto a conveyor. The tomatoes are coarsely rinsed with water sprays to remove dirt, stems and leaves. The tomatoes fall into sorting table containing water, and then unaccepted product is removed from the sorting conveyor and good tomatoes are collected in one tank. Then they are pumped to a chopping system. You want slices or pieces that are about ½ inch thick. If you are using cherry tomatoes, all you have to do is cut them in half. Vertical tube type tomato chips cutting machine is used to cut the tomatoes into chip shape. Thickness of the slice can be adjusted as per process requirement. Dehydrating. You want the tomatoes to be in a single layer, but it's fine if they touch. Set the dehydrator to 54 to 65 degrees Celsius. Total drying time depends on the liquid content of the tomatoes, so check them every hour or so after first 4 hours. But they will take at least 8 to 10 hours to dry completely. Once the tomatoes are completely dry, remove them from the dryer. Dehydrators are available with electric heating sources, coal heating sources and natural gas heating sources. Pulverizing. Allow dried tomatoes to cool down at room temperature. Transfer dried and cool tomatoes to a blender or grinder. Blend the tomatoes until all the tomatoes are converted into a fine powder. When material has been ground into required particle size powder, it will come out through the filter. Filtering process ensures even and smooth texture of the powder. Packaging. The tomato powder can be packed in laminated aluminium foil, that is LAF, high density polyethylene and medium density polyethylene, and can be stored for 6 months. From study, it was observed that the moisture absorption by the tomato powder was lower through LAF, that is 0.13%, as compared to the HDPE, which was 1%, and MDPE, which was 1.33%. Hence, it is best to pack the tomato powder in laminated aluminium foil, that is LAF, or glass jar. Without adding preservatives or pre-treatment, freshly prepared tomato powder can be stored at room temperature for a viable period of between 3 to 6 months. Equipment and machines used in manufacturing process. Semi-automatic and automatic tomato powder processing machines are available in the market at the price range 50 to 80 lakhs depending on the capacity of the plant, which ranges from 500 kgs per hour to 5000 kgs per hour of tomatoes. These processing units includes the following machinery: washer for thorough washing of tomatoes, inspection conveyor for manual inspection and sorting of tomatoes, cutter to make slices, dehydrator to remove water contained from the tomato slices, pulverizer, pouch filling for filling tomato powder in smaller pouches. Till now we have seen the processing of tomato powder demonstration video under PMFME scheme. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state and UT governments, has launched an All India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here.